In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal balance with ease and confidence. PayPal is a widely used online payment platform, and knowing how to quickly verify your balance is a crucial skill. So, let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and head over to PayPal's official website. Simply type paypal.com into the address bar and hit enter. Navigating directly to the PayPal homepage ensures that you are on the correct and secure site. This is an important step. Never log into your PayPal account through any third-party links to avoid phishing scams. Once you're on the PayPal homepage, the next step is to click on the Login button. You'll typically find this button at the top right corner of the page. By clicking here, you'll be directed to the Login page, where you can access your personal PayPal account. If you're using a mobile device, you might see the Login option within the menu, usually symbolized by 3 horizontal lines. Now, it's time to enter your login credentials. On the login screen, you'll be asked to type in your email address. This is the email associated with your PayPal account. After entering your email, go ahead and input your password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, since PayPal's system is case sensitive, meaning that P and P would be considered different characters. If you happen to forget your password, PayPal provides a having trouble logging in option, where you can follow the prompts to reset it securely. After you've double-checked your credentials, click the Login button again. This will prompt the system to validate your input, and upon successful verification, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. In some cases, PayPal might ask for additional verification steps like a security code sent to your registered mobile device, so make sure your phone is easily accessible. Now, once you're logged in, you'll notice your PayPal balance prominently displayed on the main account overview page. This is typically presented up front and center for your convenience, right at the top of the page. If it isn't immediately visible, it may be tucked under a menu labeled Wallet or similar, depending on any updates or changes PayPal has made to their interface. And that's it. You've successfully checked your PayPal balance. This simple process should now be routine each time you need to verify your funds. Remember, regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your finances better and quickly detect any unauthorized transactions. By staying proactive and informed, you can use PayPal safely and efficiently. Happy banking, and thank you for watching.